Hello everyone, in this video I will show you why Cash App asks for your social security number and explain how the Cash App SSN verification process works. Later in this video, I'll also share a powerful platform businesses use to manage international payments and global financial operations more efficiently. First of all, Cash App is a financial payment platform that allows users to send, receive, and manage money. Because it handles financial transactions, Cash App is required to follow banking laws and government regulations. One of the main reasons Cash App asks for your social security number is to verify your identity. This helps confirm that you are the real owner of the account and not someone pretending to be another person. Another reason is fraud prevention. Cash App uses identity verification to help reduce scams, fake accounts, money laundering, and unauthorized financial activity. This is very common with banks, debit cards, and other payment apps. Your social security number also helps Cash App separate users who may have similar names. For example, two people can have the same first and last name, but the SSN helps identify the correct account owner. In many cases, you may be able to use some basic Cash App features without entering your social security number. However, if you want higher sending limits, direct deposit, Cash App card features, Bitcoin access, or additional financial services, Cash App may require full identity verification. When entering your information, always make sure you are using the official Cash App app and avoid sharing your personal details with anyone outside the platform. And that's basically why Cash App asks for your social security number and how the SSN verification process works. Now if you run a business or work with international payments, I recommend checking out Airwallex. It's a global financial technology platform that helps businesses manage international payments, treasury, and financial operations across multiple countries. You can learn more through the link in the description.